everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, I am on the go this morning. I am running late. I decided to sleep in a little bit with hubby. It is raining here and right now I am getting ready to go meet him to get a bite to eat.
Okay, it's the shrimp soup I was telling you about, girl. Look how hardy this is. The price went up to $10, but that's alright. And shrimp, you know, it's always, you get the chicken taco, the guac, cream salsa, Jamaican, pineapple. Bon appetit.
Once I am done getting something to eat, I will be going to CVS and I will be going to pick up first a Oral-B toothbrush deal, and secondly I will be doing a Crest toothpaste deal. I'm going to combine those together because of the CRT that I have, and that's going to be one deal. I will be going to different CVS's picking up my different items today because unfortunately for me, not one CVS always has everything and I always end up having to go to different CVS's. So since I'm already used to it, that's how I'm going to film it and we'll go from there. So it may be a couple of videos,
all right, everyone,
or maybe just one.
My first CVS deal this week. I am going to be getting some toothbrushes. This week CVS has Oral-B toothbrushes. The electric ones, battery operated, spend 15 with 7 extra bucks. The deal can be done twice. All right, everyone, this is the next item that I am going to add with my deal today. I am going to pick up 2 of the Crest. They are priced at $2.99 this week. Buy 2, get 3 extra bucks. The limit is 2. All right, everybody, it was a success. Be careful with these Oral-B Pulsar toothbrushes. I picked up the medium ones and they are on clearance for $7.69. The extra buck will not activate for that deal. So the 2 that I picked up are originally priced at $8.49. I also picked up 2 of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste, 3.5 ounce at $2.99 each. Coupons that are attached. I had a digital toothpaste, $2 off. I had a digital Oral-B manual toothbrush, $2 that came off. I had a 3 off of 12 scope that came off. I used a $10 care pass, 98 cents and 2% extra reward. And I paid subtotal $4.98, the tax 96 cents. And I put $5.94 on a gift card. Here is my receipt. Sorry about that. And here's the 7 extra bucks. And the 3 extra bucks. I will see you at the next store. All right, everybody, this is my next deal. My next deal will be on this Curel lotion here. There is no deal on it this week. There are no ECVs coming back for it, but I have 2 CRTs for $3 off one, making it $2.99. But I also have a 32% off CRT, so we'll see what our balance is at the end. All right, everyone, this is my next deal on this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser for dry skin. It is priced at $7.29 in my store. Buy one, get one 40% off. I'll pay $7.29 for one, $3.65 for the other. And when you buy 2 Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care, you get back 2 extra bucks. Check Ibotta because there is $1.75 coming back on these facial items. I have a 3 off of 10 facial care that I am going to pair up with everyone. So here is my receipt for my purchase. I purchased 1 Curel because it ended up being $2.99 for me. I also picked up 2 facial moisturizers. So here's my receipt. The 2 Aveenos were $7.29 each. Buy one, get one 40% off, leaving it at the $10.92. I'm sorry. This one went $3.65. The Curel was priced at $8.99. I had a 3 off Curel, 3 off of 10 Aveeno face, another 3 off Curel, 96 cents for the 32%, and 61 cents for the 30%. Out of pocket was $10.08, tax $1.53, total $11.61 that was put on a gift card. Now, there are 2 extra bucks for the Aveeno. I have already submitted it to Fetch. I've gotten about $3.50 back on that, plus $2. That's $5 there. So, pretty good purchase.